Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. So first, you need to log into Roblox in your website, and then the first solution is go to the gear icon on the upper right and then go to your settings. So in your settings, select privacy. So under the who can join my game section, make sure that the setting is set to everyone in order to join private experiences. So just go ahead and change this to everyone. So sometimes you have to enter the PIN number or the parental pins that you made. But if you don't have this, just go ahead and continue changing it to everyone. So once you're done, let's move on to the second solution. You need to check the experiences privacy settings. If after checking your privacy settings and you still get the error, then it is possible that the experience itself is set to private. Now, to check it is just go to the experiences page and look for the privacy settings. So if it's set to private, then you'll need to contact the creator of the experience to ask them to change it to public, okay? So that is the second solution. The third solution is to reinstall Roblox because there are a possibility that there's a problem with your Roblox installation. So these are the three solutions that you can try to fix the error. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.